we are still at Inside Out Therapy, learning about all things relaxation. We're talking deep tissue laser therapy now with Zoe. What is this we have going on?
Well, it's a relatively new therapy that's coming out more and more as time goes on. This is a class 4 laser, and basically what it does is it's concentrated light protons, and it can penetrate deeper than anything I can do with massage, that type of thing. So what it does is it penetrates the skin, and it can stimulate mechanisms within the cells to do a few things that are good. One is deal with the inflammatory processes that are going on. It stimulates the cells to speed that up. So if you have sprains or strains, things like that, tendinitis, carpal tunnel, plantar fasciitis, anything that's really stubborn, it'll help solve that problem for you. And then once it's done that, it gives the cells energy, so it accelerates the healing process. So instead of just kind of masking things, it actually heals.
Nice. So we have been talking about relaxation on today's show, but this doesn't seem like that relaxing of a therapy.
Well, it feels delightful, but no, it's more for a specific problem that you want to have solved.
Right. Okay, well, let's check this out. Let's put our goggles on.
Yes.
Safety first.
Yes, you must have goggles.
And let's see how this works.
Okay, so this would be just if somebody had carpal tunnel and they don't want to have the surgery, they'd like to try some alternative therapies to see if they can get it solved that way, because that's an inflammatory condition. So all it is this nice warm light that we would shine over the areas that we're having problems. And we'll go all directions so that we get all the tissues.
Now, what would she be feeling?
She would just be feeling a nice, warm, glowing light. It's very, very easy, very gentle. One of the great things about it is that there's virtually no side effects whatsoever.
Wow.
Sometimes people have a little achiness, but that's generally better than what they're feeling on a whole. So things like tendinitis, people would have a lot of inflammation in these areas. And so we would just gently move the tissues around and make sure we're getting all related structures. And so a treatment like this for carpal tunnel or tendinitis would typically be about 4 minutes.
Wow.
So it's fast.
Yeah, no
So
kidding.
you can get in and out. And usually it takes about 5 to 10 treatments on average for things to resolve themselves. Bigger areas like hips, they may take a little more time because they're a bigger structure, whereas hands and fingers, arthritic areas won't take very long. Some of those are like 30 seconds. So yeah, it's a nice quick treatment. It's very effective. Just have to be committed to get your number of treatments in, and a lot of people have a lot of great results with it.
Excellent. Now, we've been looking at a lot of different therapies here at Inside Out today. If people want more information on what happens here, is there a website they can visit?
Absolutely. It's www.insideout-therapies.com. You can find all the therapies on there, all our therapists, lots of information, and you can also book online. So that makes things very easy.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Zoe, and thank you, Vanessa, for being a great model today. We'll have more on Go Saskatoon right after this.